Imagine a world where local communities thrive, not just survive. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Consider this. The development of pipeline infrastructure could be the key to unlocking a treasure trove of opportunities for local contractors. What if these projects could reshape our economies, create jobs, and enhance skills? The reality is that they do. Today, we'll explore how pipeline infrastructure projects significantly benefit local contractors, driving economic growth and providing invaluable career opportunities. Local contractors find themselves at the forefront of economic growth through these projects. Pipeline infrastructure can inject billions into local economies, supporting contractors and adjacent businesses alike. This influx of capital translates into improved infrastructure and better public services, enriching the quality of life for everyone involved. Number 1. Job creation stands as a cornerstone of these benefits. Local contractors gain access to a wealth of employment opportunities. These projects require a diverse range of skilled workers, creating thousands of jobs and reducing unemployment rates in the process. The steady stream of work helps foster a more robust local economy. Number 2, we see increased revenue for local businesses. Pipeline projects bring substantial financial rewards through multi-million-dollar contracts. Local businesses flourish as workers spend money on housing, food, and other essentials, further stimulating economic activity in the community. Number 3 highlights skill development. Contractors engaged in pipeline projects can develop specialized skills through training programs. These programs not only provide valuable certifications, but also equip workers with the latest industry knowledge and techniques, ensuring they remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Number 4 is about long-term contracts. The nature of pipeline infrastructure requires ongoing maintenance and inspection, which leads to long-term contracts for local contractors. This creates a reliable source of income and helps businesses grow sustainably. Number 5 emphasizes broader community development. The investments in pipeline infrastructure often lead to enhanced amenities and public services, benefiting contractors and residents alike. Better roads and improved infrastructure contribute to a higher quality of life. Number 6 focuses on environmental management opportunities. Modern pipeline projects come with stringent environmental regulations. Local contractors can seize new business opportunities by specializing in environmental services, such as soil conservation and habitat restoration. Number 7 brings us to real-world examples like the Dakota Access Pipeline. This project generated significant wages for local workers during its construction phase, highlighting the tangible benefits these initiatives can offer to local economies. Number 8 looks at current trends in investment. Significant upgrades to aging pipeline infrastructure across the country are underway, thanks to substantial funding from government initiatives aimed at safety and modernization. This investment is crucial for creating more jobs and ensuring safer energy transportation. Number 9 discusses wage benefits. Pipeline construction jobs typically offer higher wages than many other sectors, providing financial stability for individual contractors and contributing to the overall economic health of their communities. Finally, number 10 addresses the broad economic impact on local communities. With projects creating direct and indirect jobs across various sectors, they stimulate spending that supports local businesses and enhances the community's economic landscape. Through my own experience in this field, I've witnessed firsthand how these projects transform careers by offering valuable training programs and long-term contracts. The hands-on experience gained is invaluable, equipping contractors with practical skills that extend beyond pipeline work. Pipeline infrastructure projects are not just about building connections. They are about building futures for local contractors and their communities. They drive economic growth, create jobs, enhance skills, and foster sustainable development. However, to truly harness these benefits, it's essential to remain vigilant about ongoing changes and opportunities in this industry. So, what does the future hold? What new innovations or regulations might emerge that could further impact local contractors? Keep your eyes peeled for developments on this front. For more insights into how pipeline infrastructure impacts local economies and the contractors who drive them, visit our site. We provide a wealth of information that can help you navigate these exciting developments and maximize your opportunities in this ever-evolving field. Join us and stay informed.